we're back with a brand new product. This is the iFi Zen DAC V3. Let's open this up and talk a little bit more about this. But generally, what a DAC is a digital analog converter specifically designed to take audio that has been compressed to a digital level, and it's all about trying to get like more storage space, lower quality audio for the most part, and then take that and try to reverse engineer those higher quality sounds that most people are losing. Whenever you hear someone say that like the best form of audio is going to be a record, they're saying that specifically because it's uncompressed. It is a pure form of audio recording that allows you to get the highs and the lows and the bass and all notes possible to really get that high quality sound. So what this is going to do is this uses technology as well as power to help recreate that higher quality sound with your receivers or speakers or even headphones. It's going to give you that better sound and give you that more power and more bass. For instance, this model specifically here comes with the X Bass Plus, which helps restore bass frequencies for open headphones. We have a after sales 3 easy steps, a little mini guide or booklet of information, a quick start guide. This is really cool, telling you that you can connect additional power, USB-C to your digital input. Then you've got a power match, the X Bass, a balance 4.4 output, and an SC 6.35 millimeter output, as well as an analog volume control. On the back side, you have, we'll actually go through those on the actual device. Let's just go through all of it on the actual device. All right, so there's your power match, your X Bass Plus. Then you have your analog stick. You have headphones out of those different sizes. On the back side here, we have your RCA connectors, right and left. You've got your power input, your digital input of audio, and then you can switch this between variable and fixed. And then right here on the back side, you have your 4.4 analog line output. That would be a good way to plug that into an additional device like your receiver. So you can either put it that way or you can go through your RCA. But like I said, I really like the design and feel of this. It is a metal exterior. It has a really nice stippled design on this inside here. It's very sleek and the buttons are very responsive. And it's just a very solid little mini device. Let's see if there's anything else in the box over here. So in here we have our RCA connectors. You have an adapter jack here. And then you have your USB-C to USB to really kind of push out that better quality sound from, like, say, a digital source like a computer. And yeah, you got a lot of really good options here to get your audio in and then get your audio, of course, out and better. So what we do is we're going to take this, we're actually going to set this up, we're going to play some audio for you so you can kind of hear the difference between hearing some sound off of a computer or a phone onto a set of headphones, and then we're going to basically run that into the digital audio converter of this device and then play it again and allow you to hear that difference once they put that extra power, that extra quality into that audio so you can really hear the multiple levels as it was intended. We'll be right back.
Like an exotic drink
Sometimes it's hard to convey audio through electronic devices, but I thought at least for me being there and then hearing it later, it was noticeable. But you know what they say, if you can't notice the difference in sound quality, then you just saved a bunch of money. But if you're like me and you like your higher quality audio, you like being able to hear the subtle intentions and impressions in the music, then I highly recommend picking up the iFi Zen DAC V3. It's a really cool, compact desktop, great adapter for your everyday use. Well, hope you guys like that. Pick up one for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.